I listen to all kinds of music. Most of the times I listen to music which is loud and thumping because it gets me going in the morning. जी मैं सुबह को जब उठता हूँ तो दो तीन चीज़ें मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं काम तक पहुँचने के लिए to be in a good mood. One is good music, definitely while I'm driving in the car especially. And the second is a cup of coffee. So obviously I listen to my music on my Pioneer car system. And I think the one thing that I really like about Pioneer जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है जो which is my belief in life is that versatility is something which is very important. I think Pioneer एक ऐसा product है which personalizes everything and therefore it's very versatile. It can adapt to each consumer in a certain way and that's something that I believe in as an actor. Photoshoot के तीन चार अलग अलग पहलू हैं. One is connecting with your soul. I think music के अलग अलग effects होते हैं on us depending on the kind of music that we're listening to. So I think Pioneer as a brand wants to capture that. So connecting with your soul. आई थिंक देयर आर मोमेंट्स इन टाइम जब आप एक गाना सुनते हैं और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि उस वक्त आप जो महसूस कर रहे हैं देयर इज़ नथिंग बेटर दैट कैन एक्सप्रेस इट देन अ पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग देन देयर इज़ ऑब्वियसली सम फंकी स्टफ बिकॉज Pioneer is about energy. I think I am about energy, dancing is about energy, music is about energy. So we're doing some cool funky stuff to get along with that. I think for the first time Pioneer is trying to go into a very rugged space, which I
Rugged
think
and vigorous.
Rugged and vigorous. जो हम कैसे capture करेंगे वो पता नहीं, but we'll try. So rugged and vigorous is the fourth vibe, which has got to do with today's youth. I think आज के जो youngsters हैं, they connect with things like that. I connect with things like that. So these are the themes basically. बारिश हो रही है, बहुत खूबसूरत मौसम है. It's one of my favorite seasons. मेरी फिल्म भी मौसम है, just by chance. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. 16 सितंबर को फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है और प्रमोशंस अगले हफ्ते शुरू हो जाएंगे. आई थिंक 1.5-2 साल तक इस फिल्म पर मेहनत की गई है. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड और जल्दी आप लोग उसका थिएट्रिकल ट्रेलर देख पाएंगे भाई. Father is always father and father is always right. Yes, it's a film which is very close to my heart. So it's a film which we have made as a family together. It's a film that मेरी ज़िंदगी के 1.5 साल उसमें गए हैं. तो ये ज़रूर है कि जहाँ भी मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है मैं वहाँ पहुँच जाता हूँ. लेकिन डैड मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट ज़्यादा मांगते नहीं मुझसे. तो whenever he wants to discuss something, I do that. Other than that, nothing more. Would you like to join me? Any company is good company. In this weather, I think you can get along with anybody. और हम लोग जाने वाले हैं लंबी ड्राइव पे थोड़ी देर में. हाँ, हमारे बाल हवा में उड़ रहे होंगे और हम एक दूसरे को बड़े रोमांटिकली देख रहे होंगे और 3 साल की यादें ताज़ा करेंगे अपने पाइनियर कार सिस्टम पे म्यूजिक सुनते हुए. लोगों ने पसंद किया है. Lot of films have done well and I'm happy that all these films are not releasing together because that's not good for the business. Apart from that, yes, Ranbir and Imran की दोनों की फिल्में आ रही हैं. I'm very curious to see how they are. And at the same time Mausam is coming and I hope people enjoy all 3 films. आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आइटम सॉन्ग करूं? आपका टेस्ट थोड़ा अजीब है यार. ये लड़की मुझसे पूछती तो मैं फिर भी खुश हो जाता थोड़ा. I feel if you can prove yourself in different spaces, you can offer yourself as an actor to different kind of audiences. To me that's the core of being an actor. Otherwise you're just a star. If you want to be an actor then you have to be able to do different things.